Hi beautiful souls, it's Ellena here, and I hope we're all doing well and having a wonderful day. I'm just in a field right now, pretty much in the middle of a field, and the sun is right in my face, and I just want to close my eyes and sunbathe forever. But I wanted to also film a video for you beautiful people. Today's video, as you may notice on the title, it is a light language video. This is going to be a light language activation channeled to you from my heart and soul to yours as always. So, let's get started. I'd just like you to just breathe in through your nose, breathing in and taking a deep breath. And breathing out. Completely relaxing and releasing, remaining open to the light language that I'll be channeling and sending forth to you now. Uaka no toakayo unoko watayo unoko huakaya no eke akolo otuatae eke akao otu ate Hanua tue, hanua tue, hanua tue, hanua tue. Unuka kuai, yo unuka kue, unuka kuai, ho unuka kue. Atia to, atia to, atia to, atia to. Una jkai, uno jkai, uno jkai, uno jkai. Uno taike, uno taike, uno taike, uno taike. Ulatiato, no ulatiato. Ulateato, no, ulateato. Unaka kiako no ku, unaka kiako no, unaka kiako no, ukana yako. Ukana tutu atiako ake. Ukuna tutu akiano utukayoke. Utukayoke. Honotu ayoveya utukayoke. Honotukayoveya. Halo huti aku no haliotika, halioti aku no haliotika no hututayoku aku hututayoko, hututayoku akea hututayoko. And breathing in through your nose and breathing out. Today's light language activation healing has really been focused on just embracing a sense of peace and reconnecting to your roots, helping you to feel grounded, connected to nature all around you. If you've liked this activation, give the video a big like, subscribe for more, and comment if you want to share how this was for you. If you have any requests or any questions, I will totally get back to you. And before you go, I just want to tell you that in the description below, I actually have a light language playlist, and it has like every light language I've uploaded on the channel so far, including this one. If you want to ever access the playlist, check that out or check it out on my channel. If you would like to support me, guys, which I totally appreciate all of your support, I've got my Patreon below in the description, and I offer healings and light language healing, card readings every single month for you if you become a Patreon. I love the sun. I think I can't really put it into words. Such a lovely day. And even if it's not sunny where you are, that's okay. Maybe you don't even like the sun. Who knows? Anyway, I'm sending you lots of love and lots of peace and blessings your way, guys. See you next time in the next video. Bye bye.